Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pan, the curator of museum.
Hello, Dr. Pan. I'm Greg. I came here to learn about two-layer resistive touch screen.
Hello, Greg. Two-layer structure is the most basic and widest used structure of all the resistive touch screens. The two layers are functional layers, and the touch function can be achieved by them. Actually, there are 5 layers in two-layer resistive touch panel. 2 functional layers are the main structure. From top to bottom, ITO bare layer 1, ITO layer 1, double-sided tape, ITO layer 2, and ITO bare layer 2. It is most widely used because it is relatively simple and cheap. But it can't be silk printed on the surface because it has no decorated layer, and it can't bear heavy pressure neither because it has no supporting layer.
Dr. Pan, I couldn't help but wonder if this is a two-layer resistive touch screen, although he had been silk printed on the surface.
Of course it is. It is a special sort of silk screen which is only printed on the view area of bottom glass. If you want to silk print on the non-view area, you have to add an extra layer.
Thank you, Dr. Pan. Now I got it.
Welcome to contact us if you have any question.